nowadays, Mr. Speaker.
Leader, confine yourself to moving this motion.
No.
So we make progress.
Mr. Sifuna wants to inform me, Mr. Speaker, and I don't mind being informed.
Information has been declined, Senator Sifuna. Do you
I've
want
accepted, yes.
Senator Sifuna, proceed to inform.
Nowadays.
Mr. Speaker, I just wanted to inform my friend, the leader of majority, that we are not saying that a certain member should not be a member of any committee. We are saying that they should be seconded to those committees by the side to which they belong. Physically, legally, and whatever it is we can do. We are saying, please, when you draw up your list as a leadership of the minority, because of the majority, because you attend PGs with these colleagues of ours, put them on your list the way you did with Adan Kenan. There's no problem. That's the information I wanted to inform you.
Sifuna,
otherwise,
that does not amount to...
No, it's for him to say. I think, Speaker, to be fair, it's for him to say.
Senator Sifuna, you know, okay, proceed.
I like that information, Mr. Speaker, because if I am granted that, you know, Mr. Speaker, that will take my numbers to almost 45, meaning that I will demand not 5 slots every committee. I will ask for 6 slots, and I'll be able to take care of the Jubilee members. Anyway, Mr. Speaker, that's not what you want to debate. I want to request, Mr. Speaker, humbly, because I don't want to enter into this debate with the Jubilee and the rest. You know, even as you obtain that, Senator Sifuna, Mr. Speaker, you may want also to rectify something that Senator Cheruiyot mentioned, and I don't know if it's true. It was alleged on this floor that Senator Sifuna, Senator Omtata doesn't belong to either the majority or the minority side. He has no coalition agreement with any of the sides, Mr. Speaker, but he serves in particular committees. Maybe you may want to guide us on how he ended up in those committees, Mr. Speaker, and then maybe assist our colleagues from Jubilee. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I want to urge my colleagues to quickly, let's dispense of this matter so that we can serve justice to the people of Siaya. With those very many remarks, Mr. Speaker, I want to beg my good friend, the Bishop from Kitui, Senator Wambua, to second this motion. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. All of a sudden, I've become so many things to so many people. My bishop, my uncle. You can take your pick, Senator.